Are you looking for a heat pump but want to make an informed decision? Do you want to read some buyer reviews in order to get the best insight into the performance of a heat pump and brand? Well, now you can. We at HeatPumpGuide.com are a resource for information on a variety of heat pumps, as well as a number of customer reviews. Don't buy your home pump without getting the facts in the previous buyer experience. At HeatPumpGuide.com, you'll find consumer-provided heat pump reviews, information on the types of heat pump systems, learn about heat pump prices and cost factors, heat pump ratings and terminology, and an extensive library of heat pump buying guides. You can read current consumer reports and reviews of heat pumps for home use. Discover the top-rated heat pump systems based on the heat pump reviews. With all the brands on the market, how are you to know which is the right pump for you and your home? Simply log on to www.heatpumpguide.com and read more. You'll learn more about which model will be the best choice for your home and what you can expect from that particular brand. So what are you waiting for? Visit the web's essential resource on heat pumps and reviews and make an informed buying decision. Visit HeatPumpGuide.com for more great information and receive 4 free price quotes for your heat pump job.